In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Cloudflare Proxy to protect your website and route your traffic through Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn it on for the right DNS records, what the different cloud icons mean, and how to make sure your visitors are actually passing through Cloudflare instead of going straight to your server. Let's start from your Cloudflare dashboard. After you log in, you'll see a list of your domains. Choose the domain you want to work with. This is the website you'd like to protect or optimize using Cloudflare's proxy. Once you've selected your domain, look for the DNS section in the navigation. Then go to DNS and choose Records. This is where all of your DNS entries live. Think of this page as the phone book for your domain. It tells browsers where to go when someone types in your website address. On this DNS records page, you'll want to locate the specific record or records that you want to protect behind Cloudflare. In most cases, that will be your main A or C name records. These are usually the ones associated with the root of your domain, often shown as the @ symbol, and the www version of your site. The record for the root handles visitors who type your domain without www, and the record for www covers those who type it with the prefix. Next, look at the column labeled Proxy Status. This is where Cloudflare shows you whether a particular record is passing through their network or going directly to your server. If you see an orange cloud icon, that means the proxy is enabled. When traffic comes in for that record, it flows through Cloudflare first. This gives you benefits like DDoS protection, caching, and the ability to use many of Cloudflare's performance and security features. If you see a gray cloud icon, that means the proxy is disabled. In that case, traffic for that record goes straight from the visitor's browser to your server, bypassing Cloudflare. Sometimes this is intentional, for example, for services that don't work well behind a proxy, but for your main website records, you usually want them proxied. To enable the proxy for a record, simply click the cloud icon next to that DNS entry. When you click it, it should toggle from gray to orange. Take a second to confirm that it's now showing the orange cloud, indicating that Cloudflare Proxy is turned on for that record. After you've made the change, make sure to click Save. This step is important because if you don't save your changes, the proxy status will not update and your traffic will continue to bypass Cloudflare. Once saved, Cloudflare will start handling traffic for those records, although DNS changes can take a short time to fully propagate. That's all there is to it. You've selected your domain, gone into the DNS records, identified the key A or C name entries for your root and www, checked their proxy status, switched them from gray to orange when needed, and saved your settings so traffic now flows through Cloudflare